Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we're back with another video. So in today's video, we are installing this gorgeous bob unit from MyFirstWig. And yes, it's giving silk press. It's giving I just got my ends trimmed. If you want the details to this unit and you want the full install process that literally took me 15 minutes, stick around. But before you go, as always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you on a few.
Best friend, be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself.
So, as I said earlier, we are working with MyFirstWig again. Y'all know I'm a MyFirstWig partner. Like, y'all know I be with them all the time. I love MyFirstWig. They love me. It's good because these wigs are good. I love that it's pink, matching my pink. Very cute. They gave me a little MyFirstWig pamphlet. And then, of course, as usual, some MyFirstWig goodies. I have so many MyFirstWig combs at this point, and I keep them all. All of them. I love having a fresh one, though, because it doesn't have any wig glue on it. Got some goodies, some clips, a comb. Beautiful. And now we can get into the wig. So let's see. Oh, more goodies. Okay, well, we got a wig band and some more wig caps. Perfect. They gave me the information, so I can give it to y'all. Bob! I'm so excited to be wearing a bob. I love bobs, y'all, because they're so easy to maintain, so easy to style, lightweight, never in the way. It's just perfect. We about to snatch this. We about to snatch this. So, just quick run through of the details. Of course, we have our combs on the inside, an adjustable wig band, super thin invisible air lace, and of course, as always, a nice pre-plucked hairline. Baby girl is a silky 10-inch bob in natural hair color. This time I got a cap size 2 just to be safe, and the cap construction is a 13x6 frontal. Okay, so we're gonna tint this and we're gonna get straight to it. Our lace is nice and tinted. We are ready to go. This fits nice. I love how this adjustable wig band fits. Makes the wig nice and snug. Cap fits nicely. Take the hair and hopefully clip it back. It's a little short, so I don't know if this will work. Okay, grab my clips. And then I'm gonna take a wax stick. It's actually from MyFirstWig, and wax some of the hairs back at the hairline. That way they really stay about the way. We are gonna cut our earpieces now. Bring out some spray adhesive, and I'm just gonna spray this right along the hairline. All right, let's go ahead and put the wig on. It's already starting to feel stuck, which is good. I'm just gonna take my brush and push the bristles into the lace. That way I can push the lace into the glue. And also at the same time, make sure these hairs stay straight and snatched. Use my fingers as well. Okay, now really quickly, I'm just gonna put my wig band on. Make sure I get those earpieces secured. And we're gonna work on the hair. I'm spraying a little holding spritz right here, just so it can keep the style that I want. I like that little bump right there. Same thing right here. And then at the top of the head. That way we don't have any flyaways. Woo, the pressure release, child. Okay, Just gonna brush these hairs back again. And really quickly, we're gonna cut our lace. One side done already. Now for the next side. Okay, lace is cut. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of lace melt spray and just put that right on top of any pieces of lace that did not originally get glued down. And now I'm gonna put my melting band back on one last time. Alrighty, and we are melted. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of cream foundation, that right along the edges of the lace. And then I'm gonna take a brush and just straighten out these hairs again. And then I'm gonna take a smaller brush and highlight my part. Cool. And now we're gonna make this look presentable. And boom, we are done. I love this bob. Usually when like I'm sent bobs, they're always like closures. I never get to have the full bob experience, you know, like the true feel of the silk press. And now I have that. Of course, thanks to MyFirstWig, of course. Wouldn't have it any other way, honey. Look at this, it's so cute. I'm in love. Okay, I have to run to lunch, so I'm gonna give y'all the details. Again, this is a 10-inch, 13x6 invisible air lace, silky natural hair color wig. All the details and the exact link to this unit will be down below in the bio for y'all as usual, as well as all of the products that I use to achieve this look right here. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and leave me a like, comment down below what you think about this bob, and of course, as always, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Of course, thank you to MyFirstWig for sending me this unit. Absolutely love it. Thank y'all so much for watching. It's your girl, Mina. Y'all have a good day.
Now I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself.